Hello everyone. Today, I've got a quick tip for you on how to know if someone is busy on an Instagram call. Thanks to recent update, Instagram has made this process much simpler. Let me show how. First things first, open your Instagram account. Click the message icon at the top and navigate to the user's profile you're curious about. Once you're there, take a look at the video call icon. You'll notice a green dot. Second, it could also suggest that the person is currently on another call. It's a handy feature added to the user interface. This green dot serves as an indication of two things. First, it means that the person is available to receive a video call. If you decide to call this person, keep in mind that it will still ring on their end. However, they might either decline or accept the call based on their availability. So, that's how you can easily check if someone is busy on an Instagram call in 2023. If you found this tip helpful, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and give this video a thumbs up. It really helped us out. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one. Before you go, remember to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications to never miss out on our helpful tips. If you have any questions or other topics you'd like us to cover, leave a comment down below. Until next time, take care.